Welcome, guys. Today's exercise is all about how to make knuckles hard, how to make knuckles strong at home. No any equipment needed, only body weight routine workout. So this is the motion. This is the motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 5 minutes, 5 minutes workout. 5 minutes workout to make our knuckles hard and still. Come on, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yeah, that's 100. The first exercises, that's 100. So we are working these two knuckles. That's what we are working. So maybe you are at home and you feel tired. You don't want to go to the gym. You can just sit down. And if you have the hard floor like this, that's now better, because it needs a hard floor like this to make sure that the punches are hard. So come on, let's go. Let's punch up to 50. Let's punch up to 50. Come on, fastest punches. Come on, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Nice. Now that's another 50. That's another 50. Remember, we are working out with two knuckles, two forward knuckles, right? So the punches are going like this. 1, 2 knuckles faces out, right? Therefore, we are also having two knuckles faces out. This one faces in, faces out, 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 faces in, faces in, faces out. So if you want to have knuckles are very, very important for any person. It is very, very important, especially during self-defense, because you can just use one punch. You can one punch, you can knock out someone. You see? So you can knock out someone immediately because of hardness of these knuckles. You can punch at the right place. Off you won. Off you win. So let's just finish with 10 fastest punches to make our knuckles hard. Come on, go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This was the lesson on how to build knuckles. See you next time. Bye.